Imagine navigating a maze of endless choices and overwhelming information. That's where Influence, the Psychology of Persuasion, by Robert B Cialdini, shines a light, offering not just insights, but a practical guide to mastering the subtle art of influence. This isn't merely a book. It's your compass for understanding and steering the intricate dynamics of human interaction that shape our world every day. Meet Robert B Cialdini, the mastermind behind this groundbreaking work. With decades of research in psychology, Cialdini breaks down the science of persuasion into principles that resonate across cultures, transforming our understanding of influence. Reciprocation isn't just a social nicety. It's a universal principle that operates in every layer of society. From a simple thank you to complex diplomatic exchanges, the expectation to repay kindness is a powerful force shaping human behavior. Our commitment, whether to ourselves or others, pave our future actions. This principle isn't confined to personal growth. It's instrumental in shaping brand loyalty, political affiliations, and even our online personas. Social proof. In an interconnected world, social proof is the invisible hand that shapes trends and opinions. From the viral spread of a hashtag to the popularity of a product, seeing others' choices significantly sways our own. Liking is the subtle thread that connects and persuades. It's not just about making friends, it's a strategic element in negotiations, leadership, and marketing. How we are perceived can pivotally influence the results we achieve. Authority isn't just a title, it's a psychological lever. It shapes decisions in courtrooms, hospitals, and classrooms. Understanding this can empower us to question and discern, not just follow blindly. Scarcity compels us to act, driven by the fear of missing out. This principle operates in market economies, social relationships, and even in our daily choices. How does scarcity influence your priorities and decisions? As we unravel the influence, the psychology of persuasion, remember these key takeaways. First, embrace the power of reciprocation by offering value first. What small gift can you give today to foster positive relationships? Second, leverage the principle of commitment by publicly setting a goal, big or small, and watch your path align towards achieving it. These aren't just principles, they're practical steps to enrich your interactions and influence positively. Incorporate these weapons of influence into your daily life and observe the transformation in your interactions and decisions. Which principle will you act on today to craft a more persuasive and fulfilling journey? Remember, the art of persuasion is in your hands. Use it wisely and ethically to create meaningful change.